Welcome to the Office of the Technologist. My name is Rory Monaghan. I'm Senior Technologist in Numecent. And today I want to talk to you about the importance of simplifying IT for administrators of any tenure. For one, IT teams are constantly struggling with finding and retaining talent. I can't tell you how many people reach out to us asking for help with their application estate because the person responsible for maintaining legacy applications has moved on from the company and no one knows how to handle it. No one can learn to become expert with large, complex products overnight or even over a matter of weeks. Employees become highly skilled through years of experience. When those years of experience are lost, there is no way for the organization to maintain productivity and efficiency. Forbes estimates that losing a worker salaried at $75,000 could cost $225,000 to $300,000 to replace, and the cost is even greater if the team is already understaffed. All this points to the need for IT teams, who are already strapped for resources, to implement solutions and processes to simplify IT for administrators of any tenure. When procuring software and solutions, it is important to assess the value the product brings, but also important is the learning curve required for inexperienced people to use the product with confidence. Should your IT team leave tomorrow, you need to ensure your team can maintain business continuity. On the last video of this series, the implications of artificial intelligence in our industry, including layoffs, was discussed. Intuit recently announced plans to lay off 1,800 employees in favor of hiring for AI-related roles. A study highlighted by the Harvard Business Review states that a layoff affecting 1% of the workforce leads to a 31% increase in the rate of voluntary turnover. No matter what the plan or health of your organization is now, you must proactively mitigate significant skills gaps that will be created by turnover. With this in mind, the optimal products may not be the most widely adopted in the industry. I have worked in organizations where products such as device management and software distribution tools were chosen based on the number of skilled workers that listed the product as a skill on LinkedIn. This inherently places quantity over quality. The turnover in the positions aligned to those solutions were higher, as it turned out that individuals with exposure to those solutions did not actually have expertise with all of the necessary features and capabilities required to run it in our organization. In many cases, they used these solutions in ways that were unique to their last organization, meaning they had to relearn the solution within the context of our business. You can see why this bias toward large, complex product suites presents a major risk. Organizations can protect themselves and their employees by streamlining their current processes and adapting their procurement process. When procuring software and solutions, it is important to assess the value the product brings, but it is also important to assess the learning curve required for inexperienced people to use that product with confidence. IT leaders must account for losing talented employees and plan for the possibility of future redundancies. With an increasingly limited talent pool in an industry always tasked with doing more with less, it is critical to proactively mitigate skills gaps created by turnover with enterprise-grade solutions that are accessible to IT professionals of any tenure. Not only will you reduce losses in productivity and money loss caused by turnover, but you'll inevitably create a better work life for those expected to pick up the work of those who have departed. To learn how you can make managing your applications and application estate simpler into the future, check out more of our great information on Cloud Pager and Cloud Paging solutions at numecent.com, and be sure to like and follow for more great videos.